Around 6 million people a year walk across this floor. Under their feet runs close to a kilometer of hidden passages. And parts of it, the researchers say, are older than the building itself. Almost none of them ever look down. This is not a legend. In early 2025, restoration teams began clearing them. 7 tunnel lines, vaulted chambers, an ancient burial complex. They hauled out more than 1,000 tons of soil. And here is the detail that makes it real. In many places, the passages are barely 70 centimeters high, not even 2.5 feet. The people restoring the most famous building in Turkey went in crawling. Notice what your brain is doing, a sealed space under a famous floor, and you want to know what is in it. Hold that feeling. By the end, you will know exactly why it works on you. In 1994, behavioral scientist George Lowenstein described curiosity as an information gap, the space between what you know and what you want to know. The missing piece itches, and this floor just became one. So, what is actually down there? Mostly water. Terracotta pipes that fed and drained the building. Airflow that kept the foundations dry. Access passages for the maintenance crews. The experts say it plainly. These were never secret escape routes. One rock-cut passage, more than 160 meters long, may even follow the line of an older Roman street. May, not does. That part is still a hypothesis. And the researchers say so. If mostly plumbing feels like a letdown, stay with me. Keeping water moving is part of why this building still exists, and the passages are only the first layer. The real find is what they belong to. 1,600 years, says the restoration's scientific board. That is older than the dome. Before this building, there was another, a church dedicated in the year 415. In January 532, riots tore through Constantinople, and the church burned to the ground. It was not even the first. An earlier church on this same spot burned in the year 404. The floor those 6 million people cross belongs to the third attempt. Pieces of that second building are still there, carved blocks and steps, dug up in the 1930s, sitting in the courtyard, in plain sight. Almost nobody sees them. Everyone is looking up. At the dome. About that dome. 31 meters across, first finished in the year 537, resting on natural rock that slopes away to the east. The popular story, solid rock, that is why it survived. The record says otherwise. The dome came down 3 times. The first one collapsed outright in the year 558, and was rebuilt higher and stronger. Pieces fell again in 989 and in 1346. What actually saved this building was flexible brickwork that bends instead of breaks, and people, century after century of repairs. By 1573, chronicles from the time are blunt. The building was leaning. So Sultan Selim II called in the empire's chief architect, Mimar Sinan, the same Sinan whose mosques we have been walking through all month. He cleared the houses pressing against the walls, strengthened buttresses centuries older than him, and added 2 of the minarets. He kept old things standing. Quick pause. If you would crawl into those 70-centimeter passages, tell me in the comments. One word, flashlight. I am genuinely collecting data on how many of you are built this way. In 2016, researchers handed people pens that might deliver an electric shock. People clicked anyway, and clicked more when they did not know which pens were live. The Pandora effect. We tend to open the box just to know. Add reactants. In a classic 1975 experiment, simply telling people that a message had been censored made them want to hear it more. Off limits works like an advertisement. Now look at what this underground world does to you. It is sealed, barely reachable, and half answered. Water pipes, probably. A Roman street, maybe. Your brain does not file maybe. It keeps the folder open. Unfinished things do that. Interrupt people mid-task, and about 2/3 go back to finish. Unresolved questions keep intruding until we close them, or at least make a plan. An open question behaves like an open task. So no treasure, no secret escape routes. And once every passage is fully explained, some of the pull will fade. That is not a flaw in the story. That is your curiosity working exactly as designed. What is down there is better than treasure. The water system of a 1600-year-old site, a burial complex older than the dome, and the fingerprints of everyone who kept this place standing, most of them anonymous. 6 million people a year walking across that floor. Now you are one of the few who knows what is under it. Try walking across it without looking down. New essay every week.